Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So finally, Mi Band 5 has been launched in India for Rs 2499. Today in this video, let's unbox this band and check out what's new in the Mi Band 5. So the box of the Mi Band has remained the same since the Band 3. Also, these bands are not made in India but are actually imported from China. Now let's check out what comes inside the box. The first thing, we have the new magnetic cable. This is the biggest change in the Mi Band 5 over the previous generation. Earlier you need to plug out the module from the band for charging, and you might have experienced how much of a hassle it is to pull out the module from the strap. Now in the Band 5 you can attach the cable directly at the back of the Band 5 and it will start charging. The magnetic contact is pretty strong and it won't be coming out easily. Next up we have the band itself, and I think it's totally discharged. We will come back to the band in a bit. Let's check out what else we have here. So there is a user manual which gives a basic info about the band, how you can connect it with the phone and other stuff. So that's it. That's what we get inside the box. By the way, if you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe. It's totally free. Coming to the Band 5 has a 1.1-inch AMOLED display which is 0.1 inch bigger than the Band 4. The display panel is of very good quality. It gets pretty bright and is easily visible even in the harsh sunlight. But yeah, there isn't a big of a change in terms of display panel compared to the Mi Band 4. The strap design on the Mi Band 5 is not changed, and you won't be able to swap the straps from your Mi Band 4 or 3. So yeah, if you are having different style collection of straps, you won't be able to use it with the Band 5. The change is mainly made because of the new charging mechanism. Strap now open up a little bit more wider than before. The quality itself remained the same as the previous generation. It's the same rubberized plastic which you get with the older version of Mi Bands. I only wish they have provided a buckle system, as that felt more secure than these button type mechanism. Now to turn on the band, you need to connect it through the Mi Fit app. The connecting process itself is self-explanatory. Just go through the steps it asks for and you are done. Talking about the tracking system, it works as advertised. There were 11 new sports tracking mode, PAI calculator, heart rate monitoring system, a stress meter which basically calculates your stress depending on your heartbeat, and certain algorithms. And most of all, it stores steps and workout data for past 7 days in the band itself. I mean, that's insane. Then of course there are certain features to control your phone, like the camera shutter, silent mode, music control, which was also there in the Band 4. So now you can access it directly by swiping left from the home screen. Now coming to the watch face, we have 3 by default, and you can further add more watch faces of your choice through Mi Fit app or any other third-party app. Then we even get an option to customize the watch face and choose what to show on the home screen directly through the Mi Band. Overall, pretty big update if you're coming from the Band 3 or older, but if you own a Band 4, then I don't think Mi Band 5 makes any sense. That's been it. That was the quick overview of the Mi Band 5. Let me know what you think of the Mi Band 5. Also, if you are planning to buy the Mi Band 5, then you can use my affiliate link. That would really help the channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.